Hello, have you ever tried to count the number of times something happens within a data set, but you need that count is dependent upon multiple attributes? So, say for example, you have a list of sales and it lists out the product that was sold and the quantity of that product on that order. And let's say that for whatever reason you need to know, hey, how many of product A or B or C or D was ordered one or two or three times. So we need to know how many times product C was ordered three times, and we need to know how many times product D was ordered once. Very fast way to do that with any combination. It is the count ifs. So it wants to know the first criteria range, which is going to be the product column. If the product, and then it wants to know what do you want to restrict the product to be to count. So only if it is product C, and then it wants our second criteria range, which will be the quantity, and then it wants, well, what do you want that quantity to have to be for it to count? And in this case, we want the 3, so we'll refer to that cell. Close the parentheses. We get a number back 3. We'll check that. We'll paste the formula down. So for D1, we'll see 2. For C3, we'll see 3. So let's make sure that there are 3 such instances where product C was ordered 3 times. And that is exactly what we see. And then we can check. So that formula looks like it's working, but let's just make sure it still works after we dragged it down. So we can filter for product D now, and then quantity equal to 1. We're expecting a 2, and that is exactly what we have.